Yelp review, or leave a comment on an article or a video on a website, post something to Facebook, or tweet something, well, all of that might be going away. All that beautiful, messy, sometimes crazy, sometimes genius group interaction on the internet could be a thing of the past, a relic of the infancy of the internet, if a group of state attorneys general have their way. Way back in the early days of the internet, 15 years ago, people were just discovering how the whole interactive thing worked. Comment threads, forums, consumer reviews, meetups, all of those places online where anyone can write anything on a website. Free speech at its best and its worst. When that was born, it became clear very quickly that some people are jerks online. They write offensive and sometimes even illegal things. And very quickly, people tried to hold the websites accountable for these jerks, even though they had nothing to do with the jerks at all. In our sue-happy country, the lawsuits started to fly. So Section 230 of the Communications Decency Act of 1998 was passed. Basically, it makes sure that any website offering individuals a place to speak and interact doesn't have to police its website to make sure everything that is written there is within the letter of state and federal law. It protects websites from being liable for what jerks on the internet might write. And because of that protection, websites allow people to interact online. But without that protection, no website would allow anyone to write anything on their site. Without Section 230, there'd be no Facebook, no Twitter, no online interaction. Now back to those attorneys general. They recently wrote a letter to Congress asking them to amend Section 230. They want websites to be liable for the stuff that other people write on their sites. If the proposal were to pass, it would mean every website on the internet could be subject to legal liability for violations of a massive number of state laws. No website owner in their right mind would offer an uncensored user forum knowing that they could be investigated, shut down, or charged with a felony just for one jerk's comments. Facebook, Twitter, Yelp, Craigslist, Reddit, YouTube, all of it would probably just go away in a millisecond. The internet would be less collaborative and would lose a lot of its genius. If the attorneys general get their way, the internet jerks will have won. Tonight, let's talk about that by following me on Twitter @TheResident.